Have you ever pondered the invisible force that keeps us grounded, or what would happen if we could manipulate it? Welcome to the fascinating realm of gravity, the unseen tether that binds us to the earth and orders our universe. It's the reason why an apple falls from the tree and why we don't float off into space. But what if we could control this force? Enter the concept of anti-gravity, a theoretical notion of counteracting the Earth's pull. Sounds like science fiction, right? But imagine the possibilities. Anti-gravity technology could have profound implications for our environment. It could transform transportation, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, and potentially slowing the rate of climate change. It could revolutionize construction, minimizing the impact on our natural landscapes. Imagine a world where we could control this invisible hand, shaping our environment in ways we never thought possible. We're just at the beginning of this journey, and the road ahead is full of potential. Stay tuned as we explore this exciting frontier. How could anti-gravity technology transform our environmental footprint? Imagine a world where the weight of our actions doesn't bear down on the environment. That's the world anti-gravity technology could create. Today, we're wrestling with the consequences of our dependence on traditional technologies and industries, many of which leave a heavy environmental footprint. Consider the transportation industry. Our cars, planes, and ships burn fossil fuels, producing greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. In fact, this sector alone accounts for about a quarter of global CO2 emissions. Now, picture vehicles that float above the ground, powered by anti-gravity technology. No friction, no burning of fossil fuels, and therefore no harmful emissions. Then there's deforestation, a major issue as we continue to clear vast swaths of land for agriculture, construction, and resource extraction. This not only destroys habitats but also contributes to climate change, as trees absorb CO2, one of the main greenhouse gases. With anti-gravity technology, we could transport goods and people without the need for roads or runways, thus preserving our forests and the vital role they play in our ecosystem. Let's not forget about water pollution, another pressing environmental issue. Industries often discharge waste into our rivers and oceans, causing harm to marine life and contaminating our water supplies. Anti-gravity technology could change this. Imagine factories where waste is not dumped but levitated, contained, and safely disposed of without contaminating our precious water resources. These are just some of the ways anti-gravity technology could lighten our environmental footprint. Of course, such a technology is not without its challenges, and we still have a long way to go before it becomes a reality. But the potential is there. The potential to not just slow down, but to reverse the damage we've done to our planet. The potential of anti-gravity technology could be a game changer, offering a new perspective on our environmental challenges. Could our future be lighter than air? Well, the answer just might be yes. Imagine a world where transportation is no longer grounded by the weight of gravity. We're talking about the potential of anti-gravity technology here, and its implications for the environment are nothing short of revolutionary. Let's consider the key points. Anti-gravity tech could drastically reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions, easing the burden on our planet's resources. It could revolutionize industries from logistics to construction, making processes more efficient and sustainable. And the best part? There's already research and development happening in this field. Scientists across the globe are exploring the quantum mechanics behind gravity and how we can manipulate it. But, like any technological advancement, turning this potential into reality needs time, investment, and collective effort. With anti-gravity technology, we could take a giant leap towards a sustainable future, making our world a bit lighter and a lot greener. What role can you play in this gravity-defying future, you might be wondering? Well, the answer is simple. Support. Support the research and development of anti-gravity technology. Champion the cause by sharing information, raising awareness, and if possible, contributing financially to the institutions pioneering this transformative technology. While we wait for this technology to materialize, we can still contribute to environmental conservation in our daily lives. Small conscious steps like reducing waste, reusing items, recycling, and choosing sustainable products can have a significant impact. We can also support renewable energy sources, reduce our carbon footprints, and advocate for environmentally friendly policies. Remember, each one of us has the power to make a difference. Every action, no matter how small, adds up in the grand scheme of things. It's about doing our part, each day, every day, to protect and preserve our precious planet. In the face of gravity, we all have a part to play. Together, we can lift the weight off our environment.